So welcome to another wet Thursday and a look at this week's garden special buys. First of all, we got compost bags, 3.49, multi-purpose compost. It's absolutely chucking it down, but I have noticed these bedding plant trolleys. Not seen these on the brochures before. We've got dahlias, 6-pack, 3.99. Also pink petunias, 3.99 for 6-pack, and then purple petunias underneath. 3.99 for 6-pack. More petunias, and then we got begonias, 3.99. They're looking really healthy. That's pretty new stock, but it's not on the brochure. And we got some hanging baskets. These are 6.99. I've not seen these before. Bedding plants at 1.99, and they're geraniums. They're looking quite good too. These hanging baskets, they're looking a bit sorry. Don't know how long they've been there. But let's get inside, as it's pretty wet out here. So first of all, we got this combination garden set, 19.99. Has a saw, edging, has a little leaf broom, and also weeders, together with a pole which joins all together in one long pole. So that's really, really handy. I do like the idea of that. Next, we have a dirt trap map. This is 5.99. Has a non-stick back. And on the top, we've got some latex gloves. We've got colours dark green, grey, pink, and yellow. And these are all selling at £1.29, which is a pretty good price for some gloves. Then we've got solar lamp lanterns. These are £9.99, and also a string light LED, and they're also £9.99. And on the end, we've got another lamp. This is £9.99. LED string light. They're looking really nice. Don't know how long they last, but they're looking pretty good. Solar plastic spotlights, £2.99. Solar on top. They have an on and off switch. Just turn them on and off. £2.99. On the top we have these solar light stakes. We have butterflies, bees, and dragonfly. They're all very colourful. They're at £7.99. On the next shelf over, we've got some solar hanging bugs. These are £3.99. We've got butterflies, bees, and the right assortment of colours and styles. £3.99. Some more of the styles of the bees, the butterflies. £3.99. Down at the bottom, we've got solar etched wall art. We've got butterflies or bees, and these are £9.99. Next, we've got some more stakes, solar stakes, £7.99. The butterflies, and then we've got some stick-on window bird feeders. They've got suckers on the back. You put in your bird feed, and you can watch the birds feed through your window. These are £2.99. These are a great idea if you've not got a garden. You can still feed the birds through the window. Then we've got an easy reach garden hose. This is £9.99. Comes with all the attachments. Easy reach extendable hose. That comes in a green or a grey and comes with all the attachments. Next we've got some mini pruning shears. We've got yellow, pink and green. These are really handy for your shears and pinching out of plants, deadheading. These are £3.99. Back to the latex gloves again, £1.39. Grey, green, yellow. And we've got some parasols. We've got a beige, a grey and a green one. These are £12.99. And on the top shelf we've got these gardening hats. These are various colours, various styles, £6.99. So various different styles, colourful, bright, just a plain blue one, £6.99. We've got these decorative garden birds. So we've got flamingo, and we've also got another flamingo, plus we've got a heron. These are £9.99. They're looking really colourful. Lovely addition to the garden. And then we've got magnetic doors curtains. So these fits any door, and these are £3.99. And we've also got a goose, and we've also got the heron again. These are £9.99. They make a great addition to the garden. We've got these garden chairs. They're £24.99 in blue and orange. And then also next door is the child's version, blue, orange, and these are £14.99. They look really good, really cute. So next we've got lantern bug zapper. These are USB chargeable. These are £7.99. We've got the lantern shape, and we've also got an owl shape. 2-in-1 bug zapper, £7.99. We've got a wooden picnic table. This is £16.99. Foldable so it's flat, easy to carry. Great addition for your garden. You're going on picnics. £16.99. So missing from the store that was in the brochure is this folding chair at £29.99, and the side table, which was £19.99. Also the metal wind chimes, 3 various types, £6.99. They were all missing from the store. And then this head planter, £9.99. None of those in stock. And the mini urn at £4.99. Also not available in the store was these Winchester planters at £4.99 and £7.99, and the flexi tubs at £3.79. None of these was available in the store. So is anything you take in your eye? Let me know in the comments, and that would be really great. And also please like and subscribe, that would be really wonderful. And I never understand why Aldi never put all their products in one place and scatter them all over the place, unlike Lidl. So that's a bit of a moan. So now I'm off to Lidl's to look at their new plants for Thursday. If you check this video here, you may see the video of the flowers at Lidl. Cheers.